Hey, what's my dial? What did I run that last pass? 68? Yep, it's outside. Did some testing last night in Tulsa. And guess what? We're actually going to go racing in Tulsa. They have a 2-day bracket race out there. Or not 2-day. 2 bracket race and 1 day out there today. And I'm going to be going out there instead of going up to Mocan. Sorry, Carl. Anyway, let's go get started. It's not a good morning. Dropped my phone. At least I didn't leave it behind like my last time I did going up to Mocan. But anyway, let's get the day started. Okay, we're ready to go. But guess what? We are not stopping at Sonic this morning. What's your thoughts on that?
Next time.
Next time. I think he's disappointed. Anyway, it's only a 20-minute drive, and it's only, well, it's 8:30 here. So typically if we're going up to Mocan, we were already left a long time ago. So anyway, so let's get on down the road, get to the track. Well, we made it at the track, and we're just sitting outside the gate waiting to get in. So come on, Tulsa, open up.
Only a 4% chance.
Yeah, a little rain shower just due south of the track here. So far, we're still dry. Hopefully they'll scoot on. Right behind you, you can tell it's blue skies. So, Tulsa, I need my 60-foot time, please. 0, 0, 0. Yeah, got the AC on now. He's happier. Another red. That's a 002 red. I need to get away from the reds. Oh well, car's consistent ran 2668. That was 6680, and the first one was 668 with a 4. Now, if the driver can get it from not going red on the start, I think we'll go some rounds. So, anyway, eliminations come next. Hey, what's my dial? What did I run that last pass? 68? I almost forgot that. 668 to a 789. I think I won that one. At least the light shone green. GoPro on the top did not work, so I thought I hit the record. Okay, got 670 on it. Okay guys, Pop just told me how to like a 002 on that. I think he gave it back to me because I spun at the line. That's the first time I spun from testing last night and qualifying, and another round of elimination, didn't spin at all. I actually spun, and I'm not too sure why. I had about the same pressure I did the first round, so yeah, it's hot out here. Maybe there's something on the track, something on my tire, I'm not sure. Okay guys, got to wait and see buy. So if all the cars come up, I'll have a buy. Just have to wait and see. Okay guys, I did get the buy for this round, for this race. And if everything goes good, I should have the buy for the next race. So just have to wait and see. Okay, that was a buy run. I don't know what my reaction is. I have a feeling it might be red, but it felt really good. But when we get back to the trailer, we'll bring it up on the app and see how good it was or how bad it was. So, tried something a little bit different just to see. Hope it works. Yep, and that's what I thought. It was a red light. You see a little flash in there. So, I just picked a different spot on the tree and left, and it went red. So I'm gonna go back to my original spot. I should have the buy for the next class race 2, round 2. I should have the buy for that if everybody buys back. So then I'm gonna go back to my normal spot. That was a right-hand lane run. Got a 70, ran a 71, really good. I'm gonna go to the left lane and run there. Now, if I have to race somebody, I might go back to the right lane because I just been down it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna hit the left lane and make sure how that reacts. So that's the lane I spun in first round, second race. I know it's confusing. So anyway, until we get up there, take a look, take a run, see what happens. Yeah, just the round button on top. Thank you. Okay, 670 to a 645. On the light on that one, like a 50 light or so. I think it was my best light. He came up and I ran 71 on a 70. He ran a 46 on a 45. But I think he is coming up and around me. So anyway, could have been a better light for sure. Should be 6.
How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, good. How yourself?
Still going?
Yeah. Good luck, Curtis.
What lanes I put Curtis in?
I'm putting a 10-0. 71. Okay, 671 and a 594. Yeah. Okay, we're going to play Guess Your Light. I think it was a pretty good light. That was 71, ran at 72. So we'll see how good a light, how bad a light. It felt pretty good. So okay, yeah, that was a good light. That's what I thought when I was coming down the return road. 15 light. So the guy I raced against, Curtis, 65. So I think it's 65. So anyway, sorry, Curtis. But yeah, then I just let off of it right at their stripe. Knocked about one of it off. So anyway, at least that's what the splits are showing. So with that, on to round number 4 and race number 1, and race number 2, I am out in round 2. So anyway, round 4 coming up. Okay, 671. I think I'm not too sure where he's dialed. 17, 19, we'll find out. Yeah, 18. Spun. Sorry guys. That thing spun. That's frustrating. I know the track's getting hot and stuff, But gosh, it's frustrating. That's the only time it really spun bad, that bad. Man, it ran an 84 on a 71. It's probably like a 50 or 60 foot. Okay, yep, we're out in the 4th round, car spinning. I was bragging about it a lot today, how much it was not spinning, but that one came back and bite me pretty damn hard in the butt. So, sad deal, went out in the 4th round spinning. So anyway, next stop, go to the tower and see if I can get paid. And gotta stick around and see what the check is. So, yep, with this check, I can definitely treat me out to a steak dinner. And that won't even cover the tip. Yeah, there's the amount. $27.50. Tell you what made it worth it today, I guess, I didn't do any buybacks today, and I took home $27.50. Yeah, we're doing good. That might, man, I probably bought the gas to get here, and then some. So not bad. Other than that, we're getting out of here. We're gonna head home. It is a hot mammy jammy. It shows 103 on my gauge out here. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but it is freaking hot out here. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and until the next time. So talk to you later. We made it. Old man's going over there to get our order placed.